Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add a person on group chat in iPhone messages. For example, if you have recently created a group chat and you have added many contacts, and now if you want to edit the contacts, which means you want to add a person on that group chat, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to simply go to general, and you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the messages, and first of all, I will tell you how you can create a group. So you have simply click on that button, and after that, you have simply click on that plus button, and you will be able to add contacts on your group chat. And after that, for example, if you have simply sent a message and you have simply created the group chat, now if you want to add a person, then you have simply press and hold, and after that, if you click on that, then you will not find. So here you have simply click on that plus button, and there will be no option available, which means if you have simply created group chat, then there is no option available that you can simply add a person on that group chat, because you have already selected the contact. But if you want to create add that person, then you have simply create a new group, and you will be able to add the same person on your group chat. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.